You know how some insurance companies feel huge and corporate, while others lean into being local and community-driven? Ohio Mutual sits firmly in that second camp. They've been around since 1901, and their whole philosophy is built on being a mutual company owned by policyholders, not shareholders. But does that actually make your experience better, or is it just a nice slogan? Let's dig in. Here's what Ohio Mutual actually offers. On the personal side, they've got auto, homeowners, renters, and even coverage for high-value belongings. They also specialize in farm insurance, which makes sense given their Midwest roots. On the commercial side, they provide protection for small and mid-sized businesses, covering property, liability, and other essential risks. And under their Beyond Insurance umbrella, they expand into areas like cyber coverage. It's a well-rounded mix designed to meet families, farmers, and business owners where they are. So how does it work? You don't buy a policy directly from Ohio Mutual online. Instead, they partner with independent agents across several states: Connecticut, Indiana, Maine, New Hampshire, Ohio, Rhode Island, and Vermont. These agents get to know your situation and match you with the right coverage. It's less about plugging numbers into a form and more about having someone in your corner who understands your risks and your community. Now the pros. Because they're a mutual company, they're focused on long-term value for policyholders, not quarterly profits for Wall Street. They've also been recognized as one of the country's top insurers and hold a strong financial rating, which means stability when it comes time to pay claims. And their community-driven approach, supporting local initiatives and encouraging agent relationships, makes them feel more approachable than a giant national carrier. But of course, there are trade-offs. If you love the idea of buying a policy instantly online, Ohio Mutual isn't built for that. You'll need to go through an agent, which takes more time. Their geographic footprint is also limited. You have to live in one of the states they serve. And while they offer a solid range of products, they don't go as deep into specialty lines as some bigger carriers. So who's Ohio Mutual best for? Families and individuals who want trusted coverage with a local feel. Farmers who need specialized protection. And small businesses that like having a personal relationship with an independent agent. But if you're tech-driven, always moving, and looking for instant online policies, you might find their model old-fashioned. My verdict? Ohio Mutual isn't about being the fastest or the trendiest. They're about trust, stability, and community. If you want coverage with a personal touch and the reassurance of a company that's been around for more than a century, they're worth a look. What about you? Do you prefer a local, relationship-driven insurer, or do you stick with big national brands? Drop your thoughts below. I read every comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more honest reviews.